Hello everyone, my name is Azalea and today we're going to be discussing 3 basic rules for accents in Spanish. Let's get started. Every word in Spanish can be divided into syllables, and every word has a syllable that is stronger than the others. This in Spanish is called sílaba tónica. Let's take a look at some words in Spanish. Sí, yes. Niña, girl. Hermano, brother. And televisión, television. Let's divide these words into syllables. Sí, una sílaba, one syllable. Niña, dos sílabas. Hermano, tres sílabas. Y televisión, cuatro sílabas. The strong syllable is marked in red. This is sílaba tónica. We don't say niña, we say niña. We don't say hermano, we say hermano. And we don't say televisión, we say televisión. So we have to make sure we give a proper stress to this strong syllable. Let's take a look at the word Spanish, español. This word has 3 syllables, sílaba número 1, sílaba número 2, y sílaba número 3. We can also name these syllables. Última, penúltima, antepenúltima, which means the last syllable, second to the last, third to the last. If we had more syllables in this word, then it would be before the antepenultimate syllable. Antes de la antepenúltima. I know, that's a long name. Here is a fun challenge. Can you think of a word in Spanish with 10 syllables? Stay till the end of this video and I'll give you a fun example. Now let's go back to the word español. Let's find out which one is the strong syllable in this word. I'll give you 3 examples. Número 1, español. Número 2, español. Número 3, español. Which one sounds better? Yo hablo español, yo hablo español, o yo hablo español. If you think the correct answer is número 3, you are correct. The stress syllable is at the end, la última sílaba, sílaba número 3 in this case, español. Just because we found the stress syllable doesn't mean that has a written accent. For that, we need our accent rules. Let's see. Regla número 1. Palabras agudas. These are the words with the strong syllable at the very end of the word. Por ejemplo, amor, love. Canción, song. Japonés, Japanese. Administrador, administrator. The strong syllables are the very last syllables in this case. The rule is this one. Escribe el acento si la palabra termina en N, S o vocal. En la palabra amor, the word ends in R, so no accents should be written. Accents can only be written in vowels, so in the word canción, which ends in an N, so yes, it should have an accent, which vowel should we pick? Should we say canción o canción? The correct one is on the O, canción. That's the strong part of the syllable. Japonés ends in an S, so it should have an accent. Administrador ends in an R, so no accent. Regla número 2. Palabras graves. These are the words that have the accent on the second to the last syllable. Por ejemplo, árbol, tree. Gato, cat. Amigo, friend. Azúcar, sugar. Mentira, lie. Argentina, Argentina. The rule says, escribe el acento si la palabra no termina en N, S o vocal. So this is the opposite. If the word does not end in N, S or a vowel, then we should write an accent. Árbol has an L, so that is good to go. The accent should go on the A. But gato ends in a vowel, so no accent for that one. Regla número 3. Palabras esdrújulas y sobresdrújulas. These are the words that have the stressed syllable in the third to the last syllable or before. For example, México, Mexico. América, America. Matemáticas, mathematics. Característica, characteristic. La regla es siempre escribe el acento. We always write the accent for this one, no exceptions. There we go. Those are our 3 basic rules to write accents in Spanish. Remember the process. First, divide the word in syllables. Then, find which syllable sounds better, so we can name it the strong syllable, sílaba tónica. Then, see if the strong syllable is at the end, second to the last, third to the last, or before. At the end, write the accent if the word ends in N, S, or a vowel. Second to the last, if it does not end in N, S, or a vowel. And before then, always write the accent. Easy. Awesome job, everyone. Now, here's the response to the question from before. A word in Spanish with 10 syllables, 10 sílabas. Ready? Electroencefalografista. What? Electroencefalografista. This is the person, the specialist, in charge of measuring and recording electrical activity in the brain. Cool, huh? That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you would like to practice and learn more about accents in Spanish, be sure to hop into a live class. I'll see you then. Till next time, adios!